Hey there. Trying something new on the channel now with some voiceover. Nothing fancy today, to be honest. Just trying to get a bit of firewood in before winter comes. I wanted to use my big MS460 to cut the pine down, but yeah, almost no compression. It was really dead for now, so that's another repair job for later. So I had to grab my MS170, and the good thing is she fired on first pull. Gotta love that thing. I've loaded up the truck and my very serious little trailer, mini trailer. The truck is still sealed for the weather, so the setups is what I've got for now. One day I will build something bigger, but that's after the wood splitter's done. Roads were dumb, but not too bad. Just me, the truck, and a bit of quiet before the rain came back. Got to the spot, started cutting. The 170 might be small, but it should through the pine just fine. Before long, the trailer was full. By the time the first drops hit, I was already adding to unload. Half an hour later, wood stack done, job done. Let's say it's not a big job, but it's a start. One more pile ready for the splitter, and one more thing off the list.